and dancing just flex. Real flag boss, you know what just flex.
Just flex, tell them say prayer works.
Just flex, keep you posted all for your cruise, you know what just flex with subscribers, much respect for the support, guy. Number one, me say you just flex.
Yeah, wagwan, my viewers, subs, bless up. Just flex just a forward income to give you guys. Couple updates, also share one video. But for bless up all of the people who move over here, long time, the ones who may just a forward over here. And also we don't like keep up the time. So young father left dangerous job to avoid death. He is killed weeks on the safer one. The family of 32-year-old Jimel Westney is shocked to know that he was slain while working as a correctional officer, considering that he moved into that profession because he thought it was much safer than the job he had before. Westney previously was a municipal police in the Maypen Market area of Clarendon, but he feared for his life and opted to quit. My son always complained that he doesn't like the job in Maypen because some of the people in the market are too difficult, said Merlene Bryan, mother of the deceased. Corona Latti, girlfriend of the slain officer, told the news team Westney was working in Maypen but wasn't comfortable taking away people's stars because he was afraid they would kill him. The girlfriend added that based on information she received, the Department of Correctional Services accepted Westney after he made a third attempt to join the service. He was among 78 officers who assumed duties at the St. Catherine Adult Correctional Center in Spanish Town on Thursday, October 1, 2020. 6 weeks into his new job on November 13, an inmate allegedly used a makeshift ice pick to stab him. A photo sent to the news team shows the weapon lodged almost in the center of Westney's back. He died at hospital on the day he was stabbed. The tragic news sent shockwaves throughout several Clarendon communities, including the victim's native Turner district in the Forepath area of Chapelton and his girlfriend's community, Reckford in Kellits. His close relatives in the United States were also shocked. In Reckford district, 1-year-old Jamelia Westney appears oblivious to the tragedy that has left her fatherless. The victim girlfriend and in-laws struggled to come to grips with the homicide. I never expect that. It is very shocking, said the crying girlfriend, who recalled the first time she met Westney in Maypen almost 2 years ago, exactly on November 21, 2018. She said he was a nice person, quite humble and very helpful and friendly. Those adjectives were echoed by other Reckford residents, including the murder victim's cousin-in-law, Shanice Turner, sister-in-law Kerrine Millie Latti, and mother-in-law Brenetta Carol Latti. The mother-in-law said, Westney, treat my daughter good. He treat us good when he come here. He come like one of my son, a very nice young man. Me miss him. She added that, had Westney not been slain, he would have done his usual driving to Reckford yesterday to visit his daughter and his girlfriend. The in-law told the news team that whenever Westney is at Reckford, he gets along well with everyone and takes care of all the children, not just his own. In the meantime, Westney's mother, who is in the United States, is heartbroken. I'm just heartbroken. I feel empty, she said. I would rather that my son had the coronavirus and I could call him or visit him. I would rather that. Right now, I'm broken to my bones. I thought my 7 children would all bury me instead of me burying them. It is hard. The mother also spoke highly of Westney. He was a good child. I never hear him curse a bad word. I never see him go to a dance. If he had anything to do on the road, he would go and do it and come straight back to his yard. He goes to work, comes home, and nobody knows if he's at home unless you see the light on. I'm not saying this because he's my child. I know the type of person he is. He's not a troublemaker, the mother further told the news team. Jano. Similar sentiments were shared by Kayan Clark, a sister of the deceased. She and her late brother were born on May 6, albeit 20 years apart. Westney is a past student of the Beulah All-Age School, Vere Technical, and Ebony Park Art Academy, all in Clarendon. So my viewers and subs, what a sad news. My viewers and subs, it really sad, you know. And what we are going to do, we are just now keep up the time and move on to the next update. So, man shot and killed by police in Matt Vickers Lane in Old Harbour. Yeah, and the deceased is only identified as O'Marley. And right now, viewers and subs, the report that really out there is that this man cried for his life, yeah, and saying that he had a 5-year-old kid to live for. Please do not kill him, and the officers still go ahead. Well, me have the video footage and thing what I want to show with you guys and thing, but first I gotta just move on to our next update in the meanwhile. Yeah, and then also again in Reckford district, in the Kellits era, man gunned down by gunmen. And the report is that this man was exiting his home when he was pounced upon by gunmen, and the deceased is identified as 43-year-old Alfonso Brown, otherwise known as Stone Jano, from the same St. Catherine address. So my viewers and subs, me could just watch one clipping and thing me soon forward up top.
Whoa.
My heart hurt me.
Have mercy, Father God.
And she here before me.
God, have mercy. Have mercy, Jesus.
Yes, so welcome back again, my viewers and subs. And this is the footage, yeah, we have a Marley incident and thing. Yeah, viewers and subs, and there you see him going into the van back and thing. Yeah, sad story. So right now, we can claim for say it's an innocent youth and thing, because when you see the police, them a move still, them now move like them thing up. They move like them do something and I try escape quick and fast. So, my viewers and subs, Janu, you hear me, Jamaica still warm coming into Christmas, or going into Christmas. You sight? Yeah, my viewers and subs, and you don't know, just share in the comment in the section below. Bless up everybody, and just keep on supporting Just Blex, and just like and share the video them for Just Blex. You hear that? Yeah, because you know say love goes out straight and always, and we give thanks for the support no matter how small it is. You sight? So my viewers and subs, bless up, peace, share in the comment in the section, and Just Blex, we out.
And them for no side, Ahmeds, representing for Just Blex. Just Blex tell them say prayer works. When the heathens are trying for you, once you die you hurt, the most I alert. If I them alone. Yeah man, Just Blex, you don't know your success getting them upset, you know what I mean?